Hey folks, it's Ray here with Skyhawk. We're going to do an unboxing video. What happens, what you do when you get your Skyhawk. First thing you do, I cut all the tape to make it easy, but open it up, look inside. That's what you're looking at right there. You take your Skyhawk out and you'll see what comes with the device. Inside, you've got a quick start guide. You're going to want to flip through this, especially for your first one. It'll take you through and show you exactly how everything works, where you go to get whatever software that you might need. The software download is free. It doesn't matter whether you have an Android or an Apple phone. It'll show you exactly what to expect, how to turn on, turn off your Skyhawk. Take the time to spend about 1 or 2 minutes going through this just to learn a little bit about what we put into this device for you. Inside, you're going to find your Skyhawk Kiwi. You notice it has an overlay on the top. It shows you what the button does, power it on, power it off, shows you how that works. On the back is your serial code. We have built into this device. Nobody else can use this device except for you. It's registered through us. So if anybody happens to take your Skyhawk, it's of no value to them, so that helps you to avoid any worry that you might have of theft. Inside here, you're going to find these two little guys. These are your magnets that you're going to put on the back of your Skyhawk. You can see there's one. Typically, you can do a pattern of putting 1 or 2 on there, depending upon where you're going to place it, but usually 1 will work, 2 on either side, top and bottom will work great. It comes with a key ring and some Velcro 3M strips, and then also inside is a handy dandy little thing that I like to stick on the back of my Skyhawk if I can get it out of this plastic bag here. It's a sticker and it's made, it shows you what when you turn your Skyhawk on, it has lights, and these show you what the different light signals signify, so you'll know by looking at your Skyhawk with the blips what's going on and what's not going on.